these are the Smart Egg Labyrinth puzzles from BePuzzled. Thank you, BePuzzled, for sending them over for me to review and take a look at. I really like the look of these ones. I especially like that each one comes with this little piece here so that they can be hung on a tree as an ornament. As you see, I don't know if you look at these. When I look at them, I think they look like ornaments for a Christmas tree. What do you think? These puzzles are pretty straightforward. It looks like these are level 2. So for children 8 and up, I think the reason for that is the wands that go through there. You don't want them to be broken by small children or, you know, shoved into their noses or whatever. So there we go. But with kids that are over 8, I haven't had a problem with them being pretty good with these. So with each of these, what you need to do is start by putting it into the top, and it'll go through the puzzle and come out the bottom. I have looked at these puzzles, and I haven't memorized sort of a solution for them. But basically, let's take a look. For this one here, and this is the way I solve them, I'll start at the top and try and get it over to the pieces that are opposite. So now I'm going to try and bring this one down and see if it'll go over to there. Looks like I might need to. Oops. Work my way across. There. Why are you back out here again? Kind of getting stumped on this one. They're made for 8-year-olds. Pretty sure I'm going to need to bring this across and down. This wasn't even the one that... There was one that gave me a little bit of a hard time. Oh, there we go. Inside it kind of swung around so that it will come out here. There. Nice. And then it comes out here and out the bottom. Perfect. You start out going in here, you'll go across. You come down here and you go across. You come down here and then you go back across. Down here and you find your way across. Back in and down. All right, so you're kind of going back and forth throughout this puzzle until you come out the other end. This one here, I haven't counted, but it seems like it has the most separate number of holes in it. It's got quite a few. Let's go ahead and look at that. Don't let that intimidate you. We're going to start out going down, pull it over, and it gets stuck. Yeah, this one you have to kind of work your way down into it at the beginning. There we go. It's going to go out that end, in that end, back out that way. The fun thing for me is that I don't, like these ones, I haven't memorized them, but they're, you know, I can't brag too much, they're for 8-year-olds, but I still find it fun to not memorize a pattern, but just to try and figure it out new every time I play with them, because they're fun, you know, you're trying to work your way around inside here and you get kind of frustrated and it's like, oh, where's it going? And oh, did I do the right thing? And I don't know, it's just an amusing and fun puzzle that I get a kick out of it. So there we go. Is it going to come out? No. I've got to do something else. I'm missing something in here. See, to me that's fun. I like not quite knowing everything on a puzzle, trying it out, fiddling with it. Oh, I think we got it. And there's the green puzzle. With this one here, you just follow the puzzle all the way down, but don't go all the way down. Come out there, and you've got a hole there, so use that. Come down here. I'm going to bring it over a little bit, and you can see it wants to come out there, but it just can't quite go there. So I'm going to try coming from... Those are all of the holes there, really. From here down into there. I'm working around, trying to see if I need to pull it closer or farther. You can see it's practically there, but there's a little piece that's not going to let it go that way. So I'm going to try backing it up and going around. There we are. I don't know if you can see that. I had to pull it back so that it gets down there around the outside. And then this one will go in, twirl around, come out there. Bye. And then I'll be able to swing this one around and pull it out the bottom. There we go. Aqua puzzle solved. I think of these 6, the most challenging is this one here that's called purple. Even though I think it looks more pink, honestly. But with this one here, the top of it looks like you would come straight down and over, but it doesn't work that way. And that's what I like about this one is the beginning, because it starts out and you're just kind of stumped. And I was stumped. I was looking at that going, how do I get past this? But by looking inside there, you actually have to go down farther. Where are you? There you go. You have to go down farther into there before you fold down to here, and then you're going to be able to go in. And the rest, this one here has another little trick later on, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. I've been trying to do all of them, and when you have that many puzzles in your brain at one time, bad things happen. You start forgetting things, like I'm right now. I don't know what to do. It's not working. So that one was up there. Oh, there. I came back and through to come up here. Good. Come back out there. Over to here, and then we go up, down, come back out this side, and then we go over to here. Ooh, nice. Look how that one slides over so that we can come back into here. And then we've got to work it around so that it comes out. There we go. This one here has a long straight edge, so you would think it would just, you know, kind of go all the way down there. And then over here you've got this edge, and so it looks like it would be pretty straightforward. And for this one it actually largely is. You come in here and go out that end, and then you can kind of go down the puzzle and across together. And then you come to this end here where it's stuck. Oh no. But if you push it to the side, there is a groove that it follows to get back up into there. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel for weekly random how-to videos, lots of puzzle solutions, and if you want to get a hold of any of these smart egg puzzles or any of them like that, any puzzles like this, you can check out the links in the video description. I hope that video was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.